waiting for their turn, and this is what is the history in making in J&K. It's a real history. It's for the world to see that how the elections can take place in peacefully, in a very peaceful, fair, absolutely inducement-free manner. We challenge that anyone, and today there are a large number of diplomats also around in the area from different countries to see for themselves freely as to what is happening in the J&K, and it's state after state. It is happening. It happened in every state. It happened in the LWE areas in the general election. It happened in entire northeast. It happened everywhere. Wherever there were the fissures, wherever there were the possibilities of conflict. People are now, since the 2024 election or even before, when the Chhattisgarh election took place, assembly elections, people are now making a statement that it is not through the ballot, it is through the bullet that they believe in. They believe in writing their own history, their own destiny they want to write themselves. They want to be participative in that. And this is what is an environment. These are what are the visuals to be seen, to be believed, and to be celebrated as a festival of democracy world over. They are creating, see the crowd, so peaceful, and the shine in their eyes, as if they are waiting for their own history to be written by themselves. So this is what it is. We showed you, we gave a glimpse of what we do whole day here during the election day. We have started this practice very recently. We called you during counting times in counting day in the 2024 election, and this is what we are showing you live today. That's all we have to say.
Rajiv sir, what do you want to respond? Because in UNGA, sir, President Biden also applauded the election process and the way Election Commission is conducting the elections here in India. How would you like to respond? Because when other political leaders go to US, they criticize our country. On the one side, President Biden is himself applauding the election process.
See, in the elections, Indian elections, we are very precisely, we only do three things. What we do? We make the electoral roll free and fair. That is one job we have. Second job we have is to provide a level playing field during the campaigning, make it far less cluttered, inducement free. And thirdly, we make it comfortable when the people come to vote. This is what it is. And what does it create? It creates only trust in the Election Commission. That's all. So we are in the business of creating trust and not defeating the trust at any point of time. In 2024 general elections, in various other state elections in last 2-3 years, and always, and more particularly, in areas, as I mentioned, where there were conflicts, all is getting resolved through democratic process, and this is creating democratic surpluses for the world as a whole, for the democratic countries as a whole. Wherever there are democratic kind of a recession or a democratic kind of a not that strong a functioning because of variety of reasons, we are proving in this country through the Election Commission and ultimately through the voters who have the trust in Election Commission. Our voter is really the king. He decides. Nobody else decides, and this is the trust, and we are creating democratic surpluses for it.
नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के नेता हैं उमर अब्दुल्ला, उनसे पूछा गया कि यूएन के लोग आए हैं, प्रतिनिधि आए हैं, वो देख रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा कि गाइडेड टूर कराया जा रहा है, लेकिन जो फॉरेन जर्नलिस्ट थे उनको कवरेज के लिए पासेज इस बार नहीं दिए गए और जनता अपने आप से चुनाव लड़ रही है, इसको क्रेडिट लेने की किसी को जरूरत नहीं है। इस तरह की बातें वो कर रहे हैं चुनाव।
अच्छी बात है, जनता